Now my baby's stealing kisses from another man. I hope that ain't her plan. I'm coming up on the losing end again. It's never right time for me to speak what's on my mind. And my heart is a prisoner locked away in your coal mine. The only thing that brightens up my day, as I look up towards the sky and pray, I'm waiting on my sunshine today. Waiting on my sunshine today.
It's kind of a sad Oregon song, man.
I find no comfort from the far, far away stars. Still solving problems sitting here at the local bar. I've got 20 miles of curves to try and clear my head. And I've got 25 more minutes to find my oldest friend. I've fallen in love with a girl who doesn't even know my name. And she doesn't know that I feel for the same. Well, my mother's breathing her last breath. My father is long gone. My sister is my only family left. I feel like the world keeps turning, but it's left me behind. So I'm sitting here waiting on my sunshine. Waiting on my sunshine. Oh, the clouds are moving in, and the trees are dropping the leaves. Heavy cold sets in on the northwestern breeze, and the gray sky's hanging above my head, leaving thoughts wishing I was warm in my bed, or better off dead. Well, the seasons have changed, and no one is around. I've got no one left to call mine. I'm sitting here waiting on my sunshine again. Waiting on my sunshine again. Waiting on my sunshine again. I feel like the world keeps turning, and it's left me behind. As I sit here, hands folded, just waiting on my sunshine.